Hi and welcome back. Over the last 6 months, the amount of noise and sound bites that we've heard around artificial intelligence has been massive. It's really been difficult to separate what is useful from what really is just a lot of noise. However, there's definitely useful items that are coming out of AI very quickly. And we want to pay attention because these movements can really help improve what's going on with your business. One recent report issued by Gartner showed that AI would increase productivity by double within 3 years. This is real data that will actually impact your business. If you'd like to learn more about how this can help improve your business operations, please stick around. A recent Gartner report revealed that within the next 3 years, they feel that productivity will be nearly doubled due to AI. However, there's a lot that needs to happen for this to be reality, and this is not necessarily something that's going to happen across every single company. In fact, 2 out of 3 CFOs currently believe that they can make their finance operations substantially autonomous within the next 6 years. However, predictions also show that only 30% of CFOs will actually be successful in doing that. The challenges behind AI deployment success are really multifold. This is not something that should be perceived as a project. Rather, this is a competency that needs to get ingrained into a company's culture to be successful. One of the challenges currently is that workers have this fear that AI is going to make their jobs go away and make them obsolete. But what we are seeing is, in reality, this is not the case. AI actually should take care of some of the more mundane tasks, automate those, and make workers more productive overall. It should allow them to focus on tasks which provide more value to their businesses and, in addition, more value to their career growth. The challenge that many CFOs are going to face short term is going to be selling AI to their workers. Most workers don't want AI at all because they're threatened. However, if the CFO can position AI as a competent coworker, something that's going to take care of the tasks that simply they do not want to do or suck up too much time unnecessarily, then this will really allow AI to do what it needs to do and allow workers to focus on higher value tasks. So you ask, what is the initial process to really roll out an AI competency in your enterprise? The first thing to look at when rolling out AI is to do an analysis of company tasks, especially time-consuming tasks. When doing this analysis, you want to evaluate what the cost of each of those tasks is. And when I say cost, I don't necessarily mean a dollar amount, but the amount of time that it takes on a week or a month for that task to get completed. This will allow you then to prioritize which tasks are the most time consuming, whereas which tasks probably might not need to be addressed initially. Once you've created that list of tasks, then the step 2 is to prioritize them based on which specific tasks are most adept at being converted to something that can be automated. Not every task that is time consuming can necessarily be automated in an easy way. And of course, it makes sense to start with low-hanging fruit that can achieve immediate successes. Once you've prioritized, you then want to have conversations with the employees that will be affected so that they understand how this might change the way that they work day to day and how it will allow them to redefine what they spend their time on. It's very important to make certain prior that you have employee buy-in so that they feel comfortable with the process and they don't look for employment in some other location because they feel very uncomfortable about the process. Once you have your priorities and employee buy-in, it's time to actually start the process of rolling out AI for specific situations. If you haven't used much AI in your organization, it's really important and useful to start with small wins. Don't try to tackle a huge project because that's going to have unnecessary complexities. Start small, show people how things can be successful, and then move on to larger tasks. Finally, and most importantly, is that you want to engage with a consulting firm or hire an internal resource that understands how to make AI a win. You want someone that has a track record of success in making this happen, who will allow the process to go smoothly and with less hiccups. Ultimately, AI is coming, and it's coming fast. You don't want to wait to start thinking about rolling it out when your competitors already have several years of advantage over you, because their operations will be efficient and slick, whereas you'll still be quite far behind in the process. The time to think about it is now. If you'd like to learn more about how we can help you find AI solutions for your business, please reach out to us at the contact information below. And if you like what you heard today, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.